Hello guys, my name is Anshora and I'm going to show you what exactly the Ajax and Json is. Json is the JavaScript object notation. In this, we create the objects in array nested inside each other, or we create the object inside the object. Let me show how the JSON is written. Uh, in an array, first of all, it is stored in an array. Then the object are stored inside this type of sequence. So these are the types of object we create while using the JSON file. Now, no, I should. Now let me show you what Ajax is. Ajax is asynchronous JavaScript and XML. XML, as we know, extensible markup language, is also the JavaScript language, jQuery language, but we are using JSON, so we can call this AJAZ, asynchronous JavaScript and JSON. Okay, so let me show what I have done here. First of all, I have created a HTML. I have used HTML tag to create the HTML file. Then head. Inside head we have used title and link. Link we have used of the CSS and to make our project more stylish. And in this body we have used a button that I have created with ID BUT, and the button says click me. And then our header file is closed, and the division ID is animal info, and we have also pasted our script src equal to js file here. And inside the .js file we have used var animal container, which will get element id by element info, and we have used get element but, that's for the our button. When we click on the button, we have added our event listener. When we click, our function will be called. Function will be this, which will be called var our request equal to new xml http request. We cannot use json http request because it was earlier, Ajax was earlier used and made for xml, so still xml is the keyword used here. Our request dot get dot open get, and then the link. This link is the json file I have used. Our request dot onload function var our data parse our request dot response text. It will give us response, and then it will use render html or data. Render html will call this function render html animal container dot insert adjacent html, and thus our request will be sent on the screen. This is how our processing is done here. Thank you and have a nice day.